Fine. Now I'm recording the process of how to do file sharing on on Google Cloud, which can be used in your notebook, your Colab notebook, as well as being able to share to used by others. Okay. So let's see if I have a file on the Google Cloud. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let me change the screen back. Stop sharing, share screen. Okay, so I'm going to the Google Cloud, um, Google Drive. So this is my Google Drive. I just use whatever kind of a file, okay? Just for for example, let's see whatever one. Maybe I create a CSV file so that we can see the immediate results. Okay, and let me get some CSV. So um, I just call that a.csv. Okay, I would say maybe data attribute x1, x2, and the label y. Let's just put some number here. 1.2 minus 9 and maybe 1 and minus 9.8, 1.5, and which is 0. So whatever. This is just for example. Okay. I have this is CSV file. And now I just drag my CSV file to my Google Cloud. Okay, so this is my a.csv, and I have my Google Cloud here. I dragged it into the Google Cloud, or maybe I don't know how that. Okay, whatever. Finally, I got this a.csv, right? I can click share of this. So it gives me a share link, but now it is restricted to people who I know. But now I want to generate the share link to everybody. But to make sure you can only let other people can see can view the file. Don't let others to edit the file. Okay. So now I can copy the link. Fine. Now I have the link in my cardboard, um, uh, and then I will just use any Colab. So I'm going to the Colab of Google. I just create a new one or whatever because it does not matter too much for this. I connect it to here. Let's create a new cell. And if you go here, just here, they have a collection of useful code snippets to help you to do all kinds of different functions. One is to get the file and the data from Colab Cloud. You can just search Google. Don't use the mount thing. You can have a download files. Okay, download files or import data from Google Cloud. Downloading here. Okay, now you get all this link and you just need to read some of the instructions. One important thing is they have a file ID. This file ID is to use to access the file you have shared on the Google Cloud. I will copy my link here, and from this link, you immediately get, okay, now I have this string looks like that magic ID here. All right, I copy this into this string. Now I just copy this into this string. The string was originally replaced with your, it is very explicit, replaced with your file ID, and I put my file ID here. And then you can execute this. Well, it then need your and login, but remember this login that's not necessarily to be the author of the file. So it can be your file, but the login can be mine. It just require an identity to access the file. So this is required by this notebook, not by the Google Drive. Okay, so let me click this. This can be anybody who has a Google account can authorize this. I just click I allow, and then copy this, and I put this into this interaction box here. I click OK. Then it's been downloaded, and look, the downloaded content is here. That is the CSV file I have created here. So sometimes when the data is complicated, for example, not a string, maybe it is in some interesting binary format, you do not need to print it. If you print it, you can create problems here because the file could be very, very large. You have the option of just save it. You have the downloaded. Now look, everything downloaded. Everything, every information of the file can be accessed from downloaded. So you have the, I think you have the option of save it into a file which can be accessed in your local machine. So let's call that b.csv. The function is called getContentFile, and you save that. Let's see here. This is the access to the file system of the notebook machine. Look, the notebook runs on a virtual machine on cloud. Okay, so here you have a b.csv. You can open that, and look, it's just the same information as we have put it locally. You got that? No, no. Look, all the information of the file is here. Is the file ID, and the file is actually saved in your Google Drive. So as far as you haven't deleted the file on your drive, everybody and you haven't cancel the public access, everybody has this code, can do this. Look, whenever I run this, it downloads the file online. Okay, so I hope this explains that thing clearly. Okay, fine.